हे फैंटास्टिक्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? मैं बहुत 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 अच्छी हूँ गाइज, एंड welcome back to the channel. And as you guys have probably seen in the thumbnail, today we are going to make the most basic, like how to make slime with the most basic ingredients. So today this is a basics video. So today we are making the most amazing, always working basic slime recipe, and this recipe can be made by literally anyone. If you are like 5 years old, you can literally make it. Like, it's really that simple, and as usual, you do not need borax for this, and you guys can also call it a basic clear slime recipe. So now, without talking too much, let's get started with today's video. If you guys are, watching slime video for the first time and you have no idea what I'm talking about, don't worry, this is like the most beginner level of slime. So if you guys want to make some quick slime, like just in 5-10 minutes, then this is the video for you guys. And now let's start with our bowl. So let's take our bowl. So here's our slime bowl. Now let's take the most widely available glue, gum, anything, fevicol. Let's take some fevicol. So here's some fevicol. Like, you guys might have seen this like all over your stationery. Like, this is the most widely available gum. You guys can get this for like 5-10 rupees and make 5-10 rupees slime. And yeah, that's just how easy today's recipe is. The most basic slime recipe. So yeah, we will add our fevicol because this is perfect for beginners because this is very thick and it is really hard to mess up a fevicol slime, because literally this is the most easiest slime you guys can make. And this activates like this with all no borax activators. If you guys want to know more no borax activator, then make sure to click the I button and you'll see a playlist with all the no borax activators that I've made. So yeah, now let's start with adding water into our slime. So I'm going to add about half of the amount of glue that we have added, half amount of water of how much glue we have added. Like, I'm just eyeballing it, but you guys can guess it too. So if you added like 100 grams of fevicol, then you guys can add 50 grams of water, like half of the quantity of glue basically. So we have added our water. Now let's mix it really quickly because we don't want our water and glue to be separating while we are activating it. So yeah, let's mix it really nicely. Now what you guys need to add to make a borax free slime is baking soda. So I'm going to add like this much of baking soda, like not too much but not too little as well. Like, this is a very small spoon, so half a teaspoon if you will. So half a teaspoon of baking soda, and you guys need to mix it really thoroughly because it can cloud up in your slime, so you don't want that. And make sure to mix it really nicely like I have done here. Like, it's almost completely mixed, and all those little small white things that you see is all the bubbles that have been accumulated. But don't worry you guys, once we let our slime to get cleared, then all those bubbles will go away and you have a crystal clear slime. So yeah, now the last step that is left is making a no borax activator. So you guys can make no borax activator like literally with anything, with eye drops, with contact lens solution, or with shaving foam, with Boro Plus. You guys can just take some shaving cream or Boro Plus and just mix it in water with baking soda, and that will create a no borax activator. So yeah, the main key is you have to have some baking soda in it for the slime to activate. So yeah, that's that. But in today's video, since I've already added baking soda into our glue mixture and our glue mixture is fully mixed now, there is no separation between the glue and the water. So if you want, you can add color into this, but I really like to color my slime, so I'm going to add some color into it. I'm going to add this and a slime to color it basically. Let's add some color into our slime. I hope you guys can see that. The color is totally optional, you guys. If you guys want to color it, then you go ahead, but if you don't want to, then there's, no pressure. So yeah, I'm just going to mix everything together. And now to activate our slime, I'm going to use some contact lens solution. Now let's slowly add our activator into this, drop by drop, and just keep mixing this. I hope you guys can see that. Like, it's getting thick, you guys. Like, can you see that? It is thick. It is definitely activating, and I think this will be like a jiggly slime. Can you see that? It is thicker in consistency now. Like, wow. Can you see that? How quickly that activated? Like, it literally just takes 2 to 3 seconds. Like, it's super rapid. I haven't even fastened the video. It's in its usual normal speed. Like, wow, you guys, can you see that? If you want to activate it more, if you don't want your slime to be this jiggly, then you guys can go ahead and add more like this. Just activate it a little bit more. Can you guys see that? How nice this slime looks, and it is like super glossy, you guys. Can you guys see that gloss? Oh my god. This actually looks like a lip gloss, you guys. Oh my god. Have you guys seen those lip gloss videos on YouTube shorts? Like, this literally looks like a lip gloss, but it is a slime. Oh my god. Wow. I think I am going to, make this watermelon scented, because, this literally looks like a watermelon, you guys. Oh my god. It's so jiggly, you guys. Just listen, you guys. I literally love it, and let me know in the comment section if you guys like it or not, and what do you guys name this slime if you guys have to name it, and I will pin the most amazing name. So make sure, if you guys want your pinned comment, then make sure to comment down a very suitable name for this slime. And yeah guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you really enjoy this slime, and if you guys make them, then make sure to tag me. And yeah guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe if you guys haven't already. And yeah guys, that's it. I'll soon see you guys with another amazing video. Until then, bye bye.